Hi guys, what we have here is the Executioner, an easy to assemble moving model made from card, and it's taken me about 4 hours, maybe even longer. You ready? This nose is getting stuck. Let's move that out a bit. I had trouble with his nose when I was gluing him together. Obviously it looks best from straight on, doesn't it? You can't tell his head isn't attached there. Yeah. Well, that was fun. I'll do 2 versions of the video, I think. I'll do a fast forward and a full length for people who really want to sit there for 4 hours. I can't imagine who would, but I'll do that on my other channel. And I'll do this as a little teaser anyway.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.